What is AI SEO and how is it different from normal SEO? Everyone's talking about AI SEO. Here's the simple version. Normal SEO gets your page ranking in a list of links. AI SEO gets your business named inside the answers AI gives. So when someone asks ChatGPT for the best plumber in town, you want to be one it mentions. The goal shifts from be a link to be the answer. And here's the kicker. The basics are the same. Clear, helpful content still wins. How do I get my business to show up in ChatGPT? Want ChatGPT to actually mention your business? Here's how. First, answer the real questions people are asking in plain, simple English. Second, make your site easy to crawl. If Google can't read it, AI can't either. Third, build trust. Consistent mentions of your business across the web really matters. AI quotes sources it trusts, so become one. Do that and you start showing up where the new searches happen. Why isn't my business showing up in AI answers? Not showing up in AI answers? It's usually the hidden stuff. Maybe your site isn't properly indexed, so AI never sees it. Maybe your content is thin and vague, with nothing worth quoting about. Maybe there's no clear structure, so AI can't pull a clean answer. Or your business just doesn't have enough trust online yet. Fix the foundations first, get indexed, get clear, and get trusted. Is AI written content bad for SEO? Is AI content bad for SEO? Only if you're lazy with it. Dumping raw, unedited AI pages onto your website. That can get flagged as spam. AI also makes things up, so unchecked facts can burn your trust. But AI plus a human, that's a winning combination. Use it to draft, then add your real expertise and fact-checking everything. AI should help you write, never think for you. How do I know if AI search is sending me traffic? Putting work into your AI SEO? Here's how to know it's paying off or not. Check your analytics for referrals from AI tools like ChatGPT. Watch your branded searches. More people Googling your name or your business name is a great sign. Keep an eye on direct visits too. People arriving after seeing you mentioned. And notice the quality. AI referred visitors often already trust you. If those numbers climb, AI is starting to recommend you.